Time to cut that turkey off, huh?
I gotta brace it first, then we'll cut it.
That'll be a nice piece. Get that on, it'll really start to look like something.
You'll see some progress.
A bit more demolition.
Yeah. Missing some windows. I bought another bag of
They're getting cheaper.
This is really cool. Rear quarter panel removed. And here's the kit for the tubbing. About 2 inches each side. Narrower, more room. Put the big meats on. Checked with Greg, they did put in the standard floor pan as received, and then later on they will cut out and install the oversized transmission tunnel for the 6-speed automatic. But so this is just the standard transmission tunnel right now that's installed. This is the original door. The lower portion of the frame will be replaced, and then new skins will be put on the outside. Complete Pontiac doors were not available. Also, talked to Greg about the possibility, since the car has been stripped down so much, to look at putting in integrated A-pillar roll cage bars, since it's so stripped down. He thinks he can tuck them in very nicely. So won't have a door bar, but we'll have 2 front bars. And that will come later after sheet metal and priming and stuff.